Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio with NET desktop and Office development components, plus Excel installed. Once done, open Visual Studio and create a new project. Pick C# Console for automation or Visto Excel add-in for ribbon integration. You do this because Visto provides Excel object model access and consistent deployment. Make sure to target a compatible NET framework, not core for Visto, and select the correct Office version. This sets up references and the project structure you need to connect Excel to code. Once your project exists, add the Excel reference. Choose Microsoft, Office, Interop, Excel for COM automation, or install EP+/closed XML for file-based work without Excel running. If using Interop, set embed interop types to false and target the right platform, x86/x64, to match Excel. Then implement the core logic. Instantiate the application object, open the workbook path, access worksheets and ranges, perform reads and writes, and call save. Use try/finally to release COM objects and prevent Excel processes lingering. This keeps automation stable. You finish by testing and packaging. Start debugging with Excel visible equals true to watch behavior, then publish as a Visto add-in or deploy your automation app. Include required runtime and registry entries if needed. Once deployed, validate on target machines with the same Office bitness. If things go wrong, a quick troubleshooting step. Check CPU target mismatch, ensure interop assemblies are registered, and verify no orphaned Excel EXE processes. Making those checks resolves most connection and permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.